guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, as you guys can see by the title, we are going to be doing I'm going to show you guys how I achieved this beat with little to almost no makeup. So if you guys want to see how I achieved that, please be sure to keep watching. Here is what my face looked like before, and this is what it looks like now. So if you guys want to see the tea, how I achieved this, please be sure to keep watching and like if you guys enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, join the family, leave a video suggestion down below, and let's get right into it. So we want to start with a freshly washed face. In this clip you see me drying my face off with a washcloth. Now I'm gonna go in with my glycolic acid toning solution at 7%. I'm just gonna fully saturate a cotton ball and apply it all over my face. I like to wait until it's dry, and once it is, I go in with my moisturizer. I use a CeraVe Daily Moisturizing Lotion. It's really good for the face and body. Now I like to go in with my sunscreen, SPF 30. This helps me to avoid the makeup from getting in direct contact with my skin and seal in the moisture. Okay, let's get into these brows. We're going to start by brushing the eyebrows upward, and then we're going to use an eye pencil to outline the bottom and top of our eyebrows. Now we're going to fill in the spaces in between and brush it to blend the pencil with our eyebrow hairs. This pad is optional, but we're gonna conceal our eyebrows today with the Dream Brightening Creamy Concealer in the shade Fair. We're just gonna outline the bottom of our eyebrows just to sharpen it up a bit. Now we're going to drag the concealer down so that it's easier to blend in with our skin. To outline the top of our brow, we're going to use our LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Cool Tan, and we're just going to outline that carefully so that our eyebrows look really sharp. I like to join them at the middle and then fill in the space in between so that it gives that, pop. So here you guys will see me add a little bit of the LA Girl Pro Concealer to the bottom so that it blends with a dreamy concealer and gives it, the right shade that matches my complexion. Now I'm just gonna buff all that out with a small brush. Now let's get rid of the eye bags. We're going to use the same LA Girl Pro Concealer and just conceal underneath our eyes. As you guys can see, I'm not adding a lot. I'm just outlining right underneath and to the side. I'm just going to do a few sprays on my beauty blender. Today's setting spray is from Amore Us. And we're just going to take the beauty blender and pat that in with the rest of our skin. I want to set that ASAP so there is little to no creasing. Today's setting powder is from Juvia's Place. Now I'm just gonna go in with some concealer to cover some of the acne that I got going on my skin. So this may not be a step for you if you have little to no acne, but I have quite a few acne scars, so we're just gonna cover that up today. So this part is optional, but I like to conceal my forehead so that it just blends in perfectly with the rest of the concealer on my face. Once I'm finished with blending, I just like to go ahead and set all the concealer that I just applied to my face so that it has a matte finish. Now I'm gonna go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Espresso to make my invisible cheekbone pop just a little. This is optional. You may have a nose bridge and may not have to contour it like I do, but yeah, I'm just gonna contour the nose really quick. I'm gonna apply some concealer to my forehead so that my face doesn't look flat and we have a little 3D dimension going on. I applied my eyelash off camera and we're just gonna set the face. Let's get into these lips. We're gonna use my lip gloss from my lip gloss line and we're just going to line the lip with this pencil from the Baulishi series. I probably pronounced that wrong, please excuse that. And I'm just going to go back in with some clear gloss. Okay guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it helps you to make your makeup process easier. It doesn't have to be a full beats for your makeup to look good. So I hope this video helped you guys with a bit of more insights on minimalist makeup. If you guys want to see more videos like this, please be sure to leave a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe, like join the family, and turn on post notification bells, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.